Here are 8 hidden Mac keyboard tricks built into macOS. Almost no one uses them. Let us get straight into it. Number 1. Cmd+Space. Spotlight does more than you think. Not just app launching, does math, currency, unit conversion, and dictionary lookups. Type 235 EUR in USD, and the answer appears. No browser needed. The most powerful single keyboard shortcut on any Mac. Also finds files by content, not just file name. Search inside PDFs and documents directly. Hidden uses, math, currency, unit conversion, dictionary, all from Cmd+Space. Number 2. Cmd+Shift+5. Built-in screen recording. macOS screen recorder with 0 extra software required. Record whole screen, a window, or a selected area, with or without audio. Output is a clean MOV file. Drag straight to Mail, iMessage, or Notion. Includes a timer option so a recording starts automatically in 5 or 10 seconds. Shortcut, Cmd+Shift+5. Select area, record, clean MOV, saved to desktop. Number 3. Ctrl+Cmd+Space. Emoji picker anywhere. Opens emoji and symbol picker in any text field in any app on macOS. Works in VS Code, Terminal, Notes, Mail, Slack. Every text input. Faster than emoji shortcodes and works for special symbols too. Includes accented letters and special characters. Most keyboards cannot type directly. Shortcut, Ctrl+, Cmd+Space. Emoji picker opens in any app. Number 4. Cmd+6. Switch windows within the same app. Cycle through multiple windows of the same app without touching the dock. 2 browser windows, 3 Finder windows. Cycle between them instantly. One of the most overlooked shortcuts on the entire Mac keyboard. Add Shift to cycle backwards through the same window list. Shortcut, Cmd+, there's backtick. Cycle through windows of the current app. Number 5. Cmd+Shift+. Show hidden files in Finder. Toggle hidden files and folders visible in any Finder window instantly. Essential for development work and system configuration. Toggle off again with the same shortcut. No settings menu needed at all. Works inside any open save dialog too, not just the Finder window. Shortcut, Cmd+Shift+. Hidden files appear. Same shortcut hides them again. Number 6. Cmd+Option+D. Hide and show the dock. Toggle the dock on and off for instant full-screen working space, combined with hiding the menu bar. Your entire screen becomes the document. Faster than clicking the full-screen button for every app individually. Useful before screen sharing on a call. Hide anything you would rather not show. Shortcut, Cmd+Option+D. Dock hides. Same shortcut brings it back. Number 7. Custom hotkeys via Shortcuts app. Assign any complex automator or shortcuts workflow to any key combination. Create your own commands, not limited to what Apple ships by default. Combine with Automator for full custom workflow automation on any hotkey. Works system-wide, so the same hotkey fires the shortcut from inside any app. Example, Option+Shift+N. Create a new project folder with your standard structure. Number 8. Cmd+Ctrl+Q. Instant lock screen. Locks the Mac immediately. No menu, no waiting for the screensaver to kick in. The fastest way to secure your laptop before stepping away from a desk. Works from anywhere on macOS, even mid-typing in another app. Shortcut, Cmd+Ctrl+Q. Screen locks instantly, password required to return. These shortcuts replace entire menus and dozens of clicks every single day. Learn Cmd+Space to its full depth this week. It replaces 5 other apps you probably have installed. Follow for a new smart home tip every day.